Right, this is just a quick video. I'm going to McDonald's, and what I'm having at McDonald's, I'm having Fanta, I'm having chips, I'm having 20 chicken nuggets, some salt with the chips and chicken nuggets, and some ice cubes with the Fanta. I know it doesn't go together, Fanta and ice cubes, but I just went there. Um, we're going. Wait, so my dad doesn't skin anymore, because his cell is sweet as couches. Um, so yeah. So I don't really want to tell you how much he earned. These YouTubers don't tell them how much they earn. Like my dad earned it, but I still don't want to tell you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below and subscribe to become a swagger, and see you guys later.